My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Tiywepxb. This is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage and encrypt the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this horrible ransomware type infection may be easily injected into the computer. So then this ransomware encrypts the files and damages them considerably. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note called How to Restore Your Tiywepxb files. The ransomware briefly tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Yet, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you mistakenly pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing. By the way, we would like to give you some instructions that would help you to actually prevent this ransomware. If you have discovered this ransomware note, you may go to your task manager, so open the task manager and then look for any suspicious processes that could be related to this ransomware. So we see this process called Tiywepxb64. It's definitely a good idea to immediately terminate this process. So right click on this process and end its task. This can help you save at least some of the files from being encrypted. To remove this ransomware, this is what we recommend you to do. Of course, your computer could be exposed to a lot of malware. So we recommend you to use a special anti-malware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, go to this website, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through this official resource, install the program and start researching the system by clicking on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So then the scanning will begin, and the scanning duration, of course, depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. It may depend on how infected the computer is. Please pay attention to the feature called in Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to protect the files from further ransomware attacks. This feature is a part of the premium license, but you can always upgrade to premium to fully evaluate these features. And you can always request for the free trial to evaluate such features. So then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. We recommend upgrading to premium to make sure your data is always protected.